warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ayyuhal ikhwatu ahbab fillah. La ziltu aishu ma hadaratikum ma hadhihi silsilat asy-syifa. Ala wa ya silsilat asy-syifa tahli bi akhlaqil habib Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Wa man wahadallaha qabla liya kanat ya azzal ummah wa amjad ummah wa kanat ya ummatul futulat wa ummatul futulat wa ummatul intisarat fama urifat ummatun asasas mulkaha wa danat dawlatah fi waqtin la yusawi abadan fi hisabi zaman syai'an alam yatwa. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today? Yeah, I hope you are fun and happy today. In this occasion, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Faza. You can call me Azza. I'm from Jepara. I live in Jumbara village. Yeah, that's beautiful village. For now, I study at SMA Bangsri. I'm 11th grade. By the way, speaking about hobbies, my hobby is tell story. I can tell story to my family and my friends every day because I like it. I hope pass in this selection and continue to next stage. Thank you very much. Sorry if I have mistake. Good morning.
Okay, thank you. Any question? I want to ask you, how many persons in your family?
5.
5. Okay, and us? You can tell?
My father's name is Din and my mother's name is Nia. I have 2 sisters. Their names are Wira and Aisyah. Wira is my younger sister and Aisyah is my older sister.
Okay. And in between, yeah? In between, Aisyah and
Yeah.
And you tell about your village is very beautiful. What's the part in beautiful in your village?
Because when I out from my house, I can see few mountain and
how long the kilometers from Sanggolangit maybe? 16.
Yeah.
16 kilo.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Azza. Oh yeah, ada makan ada?
What kind of story do you like to tell us?
Something I like to tell story about my new experience because I like new things and new experience.
Okay, enough? That's all? Okay, thank you.
PMI Jepara.